allocated 150 million for pending bills. Honorable Speaker, the manner in which I understand the pending bills are considered as a fast charge. And under the Public Finance Management County Regulations 2015, Regulation 55(2)B speaks about those pending bills which are of fast charge. But if you look through that page 17, what has been itemized as pending bills, Honorable Speaker, in actual sense, they do not qualify as the pending bills that we are contemplating under Regulation 55. Regulation 55 talks about fast charge. The claims that were incurred a bit earlier, the claims that have been enlisted here, Honorable Speaker, are recent claims. And so it raises a question whether the 120 million we're talking about is going to solve the problem. Moa talked about 119 was paid, but where are those other ones which were not paid? Are they factored here? But what is factored is the latest claims. And I think, Honorable Speaker, as we move along, I know that is going to bring quite a bit of a challenge. But finally, Honorable Speaker, if you protect me.
It was few seconds, Honorable, you have taken 5 minutes. Yes. Just few seconds.
Sure. Finally, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Lillian raised a very fundamental question, and Chairman Budget, please take note of this very particular one. You have done double allocation for money for Wusi Stadium. If you check on page 24 of this document, and Speaker, this one I let a chair to actually go through, and then anybody can open page 24 of this document. This document has page 24 twice. So the page 24 that I'm talking about is page 24, which has the term on top of it, supplementary notes. If you check page 24 of this document, you will be able to see completion of Stadia, Wusi Stadium. And the amount of money that is there put there is 20 million Kenya shillings. And that is under development expenditure. Honorable Speaker, when you go to page 67 of this document of the budget estimates, page 67, you will also be able to see under recurrent expenditure, another line being introduced there, and that line is development expenditure, completion of Wusi Stadium, 30 million Kenya shillings. They need perhaps
point of order. Yes, on Delhi, you can put it to your mic off. Put it off.
Oh, no, Speaker, maybe you can use the document I have is up to page 15. That was the chair table, and this is what we're discussing. And when it talks about the budget 50 something and what, I don't know what the speech are. We're talking about the report. Honorable Speaker.
I think at the right time the chair will respond. At the right time the chair will respond, Honorable Leader Majority. The right time, Honorable Ndari, the chair will respond when you are concerned. Yeah. No, I think your time is